General dictation 60 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Dear Sir, comma, paragraph. Thank you very much for sparing your time in writing as a detailed letter and also for your suggestions. Full stop. We have gone through your letter very carefully and offer our sincere apology for not being able to look after you in the manner you have the right to expect from us. Full stop. It is very thoughtful on your part to have drawn our attention to the shortcomings that creep into our business. Full stop. It is only through good friends of hotel president like you, comma, who help us in a great deal in overcoming our lapses. Full stop. We are constantly striving hard to improve all aspects of our service, comma, and also the various amenities in our hotel. Full stop. We would like to mention here that your remarks and comments are being given full consideration. Full stop. This, of course, is no excuse to all the observations made by you, and we, on our part, are making sincere efforts in order to improve the services offered to our guests. Full stop. We greatly regard the inconvenience caused to you and express our sincere gratitude for drawing our attention, comma, for which corrective action has already been taken. Full stop. We shall be grateful if you could let us know the details of your next visit so that we could meet you personally and see that your stay is most comfortable. Full stop. Please also feel free to let us know if you require transport facilities during your stay. Full stop. With best wishes, comma, paragraph, yours sincerely.